Give your restaurant patrons the ability to make reservations or add themselves to your waitlist directly from your website using Waitly widgets. To access the widgets, open your Waitly settings in a web browser and click on the Widgets tab. This area allows you to customize the appearance and other specific details of each widget. To customize each widget to your preferences, first choose which widget you want to modify, the Reservations widget or the Waitlist widget. For Waitly professional users with 1 to 3 locations, select the relevant location for the Reservation or Waitlist widget using the Location drop-down menu. If you can't find your additional locations, go to the Reservation settings and make sure you have enabled the Online Reservation slider button for that specific restaurant. Only locations with online reservations enabled will appear in the drop-down menu. For the Online Reservations widget, you have the option to further configure it using the reservation settings to specify available reservation times and other variables. Returning to the widget settings, you can customize the button title by entering your preferred wording in the button title box. Choose whether you want the widget to open in a screen overlay or as a separate tab on your website. Choose between the default rectangle, round, beveled, or if you have CSS knowledge, create your own unique style. Adjust the font color and button color to match your branding, and decide whether you want to enable shadows. When you are done customizing, the resulting code can be copied by clicking Copy to Clipboard or by clicking anywhere within the text area. You can then paste this widget code onto your website, and the button will function as expected. The same preference modifications can be made for the Waitlist widget. This widget places a form directly on your web page, allowing users to self-check in and be added to the waitlist. By default, both the Reservations widget and the Waitlist widget open as a screen overlay, but on smaller devices they display in full screen mode. In cases where the reservations or self-check-in sliders are turned off for all locations, you'll receive a message indicating that none of your locations have the relevant feature enabled. To activate the feature, click the blue Show Me link, which will take you to the settings area where the feature slider can be turned on. For more information on how to set up your reservations or self-check-in features, visit our support center at support.waitly.com.